Deep in the valley where the
A tradition handed down from the old ones. They bring the kai home to share, to honour, to remember. The bush is given, and they had taken only what is needed. The morning mist still clings to the hills. A man saddles his horse, boots, leather, and breath of dawn. His dogs wait, tails low, eyes bright, ready for the hunt they were born for. He rides out through fern and flax, the ground soft beneath the hooves. The bush hums this ancient song, Kereru above, stream whispering below. Then, a bark, a cry. The dogs have caught the scent. He leans forward, clicks his tongue. The horse surges through the green branches, brushing past like old hands. Through gullies and ridges they run, heartbeats of man and beast, one and the same. The dogs bathe the forest echoes, but no violence is shown here. Only the rhythm of life, the way of the old people. When the sound fades, smoke curls upwards from a small fire. The men sit, share bread and laughter. Their catch beside them, a gift of the land. They give thanks, not for the kill, but for the kai, the strength, the memory. The fire crackles, the night settles, the hunter rests, and the bush, it breathes again. Later, under the failing light, or in the morning, they make their way home. One carries a pig across his shoulder, another carries it on his horse, the dogs trotting faithfully behind. The dad waits at home, the day draws to a close. The road home is long, but their spirits are light. Father sits on the back of the ute, his son beside him, dog resting after the chase. The pig lies quiet, a gift from the bush. No cheering or boasting, only gratitude. For this is not a sport, it's sustenance. The hunter smiles, the father nods, the work is done, the bond remains.